Sample projects na pwede mong gawin para ilagay sa portfolio mo as a freelancer kung galing ka sa BPO. Okay, Mary here, and everyday nagpo-post ako ng bagong videos na pwede mong sundan as some sort of roadmap kung gusto mo na maging freelancer, virtual assistant, or gusto mo na mag-work from home gamit ng computer at internet. Din natin yung tanong ni Kyle and the idea for sample projects for newbies with BPO background. Always depends on the type of service that you want to offer. For example, di ba sabi ko merong 5 na pwede mong i-offer? You can offer administrative, creative, tech support, and sales. So, sa administrative, ipakita mo how you handle inbox management, what you can do with Excel. Sa creatives naman, pwede ka maghanap ng business na papayag na gawin kang social media manager for maybe a week or two, produce assets, mag-create ka ng content strategy for them, kung ano man yung matutunan mo sa mga free at paid online workshops na pwede mong attendan. Sa tech naman, you'd have to be able to produce something that would show them that you know how to, let's say, do Salesforce. Um, and you also know how to assist customers that are in need of technical support. Ganon din naman sa customer support. So dito, pwede kang maglagay ng sample call, pwede kang mag-record using Zoom, tapos maghanap ka na lang ng kaibigan mo, kumare mo na pwede mong maka-mock call doon. At pagdating naman sa sales, you have to be able to show results. Which means na halimbawa nagbenta ka ng ako maisip na example, ito yung best na na-handle ko ever was promodizer siya. So, as a promodizer, nagbebenta siya ng frozen meat sa supermarket. And so, I told them, you can actually record na may script ka, na nagbebenta ka ng product. At yung magandang example na ibinigay ni Coach Potato for technical writing is you can actually write different samples ng kung paano mong ibebenta ang specific product using mind mapping. If you guys are not yet sure how you're going to use this or do this, it's actually best dito pumapasok yung mga level 3 programs namin na kagaya ng technical writing kasi tuturuan kayo kung paano naman mag mind map, paano mag-create ng thoughts, convert them to processes or standard operating